guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we will be doing a wig tutorial. I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this Valentine's look. So this is an Amazon wig. This is a 13x4 soft transparent Swiss HD lace. This is a 20-inch. This is 20-inch. It's a 20-inch straight hair. Also, it's very cheap. It's reasonable, so all the ladies on a budget are, this channel is for the hot girls on a budget. Hot girls on a budget, so it's not nothing hard. If you don't know how to use your hands to make fashion, if you don't know how to do hair, just stay tuned because it's a bit simple. So don't need to stress, don't need to say I can't do this or I can't do that. Believe in yourself and just put the work to it. You just need the right products and the confidence. If you don't have that, then I don't know, right? Just set your mind towards something and then go ahead and try it. But yeah, this is like a simple hairstyle and it's simple, but it's cute. I've never worn a colored hair before, and I'm telling you, this is the bomb. This is like, this color fits for the occasion. Valentine's, burgundy, red, nice. Look at it. Fits for the occasion. So girls, stay tuned if you want to be a baddie on a budget. This hair is very bouncy. It has no smell, it doesn't itch, it doesn't shed. This is just the perfect hair for like a date night. Valentine is coming and everybody's getting ready to go out with bae or Valentine's. But I'll be showing you guys how to achieve this look. So stay tuned and please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. And always remember to tell a friend about this channel, okay? All right, so this is me showing you my protective style, and this is how the hair came, but it came also inside a box. Now this is how the hair is. The quality is very soft. Now I'm going to start my bald cap method.
If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just show me bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around. You do something to make me smile. And it's hard for me to try to doubt this feeling. Yeah, we could just walk away. Yeah, we could just stay away. The things I love about you, I can't change. No, 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 no. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. And the truth we done hiding, that's just the way we are. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just show me bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that.
This is really self-explanatory, so I'm not going to go in details. So after removing the extra cap, I'm just gonna go ahead and make a knot around the back.
But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you
So now I'm just going to go back in with my got to be glue spray on the ball cap so it melts, so it actually looks blended. So I'm just showing you guys the quality of the hair. It's really soft, it's nice, and it's 100% human hair. So I'm actually gonna go in and add foundation to the ball cap so it blends in with my skin color. Hey, if me did have ballad, no, would be a nice piece of gal, you know. Nice piece of gal. Now I'm just gonna go in and start to install the lace.
Yeah, we could just walk away. Yeah, we could just stay away. The things I love about you, I can't change. No, 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 no. In my mind, I'm done.
Now I'm just going to go in with my got to be glue.
And the truth we done right, that's just the way we are. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it would just so be mad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that. If it was you, it won't be like that.
So I'm just using the comb just to secure the lace to help to keep it flat. So just to secure the lace, I'm just gonna go in with another layer of got to be glue spray just so that it doesn't lift, or you know, if you want to wear it for a long time. Now I'm just gonna go in and remove the extra lace from the hair.
You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same.
So because I didn't bleach the lace, I am just gonna go in and use foundation so it looks blended.
The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it would just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around. You do something to make me smile. And it's hard for me to try to doubt this feeling. Yeah, we could just walk away. Yeah, we could just stay away. The things I love about you, I can't change. No, 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 no.
Now I'm going to start by giving the hair a side part because that's the style that I chose today.
And the truth we done right, that's just the way we are. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you.
Now I'm just gonna go in with my wax stick so that it keeps the flyaways down.
But I Maybe we just talk like that.
Hey, what lace? What lace? Hello? Don't play with me. No, I'm just using my flat iron to keep the hair flat. No, this is me just parting out my baby hair. I'll be using the Lotta Body Mousse because it doesn't keep the edges crunchy, but it's just smooth and nice.
You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the
I'm going to start curling the hair with my curling iron. Alright guys, when using this iron, please to ensure that you have on the heat protective gloves. I know I didn't have on mine in the beginning, but I went ahead and grabbed it because it was really hot.
something to make me smile, and it's hard for me to try to doubt this feeling. Yeah, we could just walk away. Yeah, we could just stay away. The things I love about you, I can't change. No, 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 no. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. And the truth we done hiding. That's just the way we are. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it would just so be mad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like
After curling the hair, I saw that one side was a bit bouncier than the other. Now I'm just gonna go in with my Al Sheen, you know. So I don't know who she is, but she looks good. This hair, one of the best, really one of the best. They did their thing. Like what lace? What lace? Look at that. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video until the end. It is much appreciated, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.